When they bully me, I really felt hurt, and I did need help. They did start way down when I was a younger person, when they knew I was not the only one. There were a few people who were bullied. Few people bullying.
Yeah, yeah.
Few disability people in living area were bullied, and they were picked on. And you know, when I was running in the park, they used throw something at my face, you know, something, and they spat on me, and they put you off really, and they chase you, and you're only jogging.
Well, you used to do marathons, didn't you?
Oh yes, I did.
This stopped. This had to stop.
Yeah, I had to give up the running. That's it. It was a pity, but that's the way it goes.
Yeah.
And now I stand up for myself.
Now you're different, aren't you?
Yeah, and change, and I learned something, and now I have to teach other people.
So, Con, what would you do if somebody bullied you now?
What they do if they were bullying now, you go and talk to someone about bullying and to ask them what did they like if they were not. They should be helped if they were bullying. I feel they should be helped. The staff and themselves should be able to talk, and then they go upstairs to the managers or any of these people. They should be taught how to be, about the whole bully. But then if I feel, and for me, if I want to talk to the person, I could talk to them and say, if you're a bully, talk to me, and I talk to your key worker and explain to the key you're a bully and you need help. And then you could come to our workshop. Our workshops are there for good. Some people are afraid to speak up because they might get someone in trouble. But it would be conference. They won't know you told a staff if you're bullied. That's what I think about it.